I'm going to quickly show you from right to left, so that would be west towards the church. You can see what's coming in. I'm about to get hit with rain, so I'm going to have to bail here. But if you quickly look towards the east, look how the weather changes. This is coming directly up from the south. There's our house with the crap sent out in front of it on the curb for the mass pickup. And I'm going to start moving here. Yeah, I'm about to get hit. You hear the wind picking up, see the trees moving around more. You can see, look at this all of a sudden. There's this stuff for the pickup. Boy, I hope this stuff doesn't just completely blow away. I may have to throw the chair on top of it.